So the DNA of Swiss Hotel Management School is to develop leaders for the global hospitality industry. The Master of Science program is unique because we offer some core modules such as developing skills for business leadership or innovative technology-driven value creation. But whether you decide to create your own company or develop as a leader in a famous hotel brand, you will be able to choose among our 4 elective modules, the ones which are the most adapted to you, such as content and social media strategies or strategic hospitality design and entrepreneurship.
A significant project in this program is that we are doing a podcast right now for the future trend. And also we need to have a social media side and also the written academic side. So it's really a combination style.
So the Master of Science program focuses on students who already possess some hospitality experience, who desire to develop their leadership skills with a focus on strategy and technology. So doing this program in Les Unes, you will gain lots of benefits. First, you will receive a dual degree from the Swiss Hotel Management School and from the University of Derby in UK. So this diploma is really recognized and valued by our industry. This program is great because you will be immersed in a multicultural environment, which is the representation of the hospitality world.
I chose Swiss Hotel Management School because it was one of the top-ranking hospitality school in the world. It exceeded my expectations. Here we got renowned faculty, a lot of diverse culture. You get to learn a lot from different people from the different cultures.
Whether you decide to create your own company, if you decide to pursue further studies with a PhD or work as a leader in any department of famous hotel brands or other industries, and if you like challenges, because you will see this program is quite challenging, then this is the right program for you.